So far we learned about how to import the data using some web link or directly CSV, reading the CSV into the data frame. After reading the data frame, we are trying to apply some statistical methods like trying to find out mean, median, mode or other things, and whatever the non-graphical analysis, whatever done so far, right? So whenever we are trying to get such values, if we have any missing values, of course, if it is not having any missing values, then there is no problem. But if at all any missing values, the corresponding methods or analysis won't happen. So for this, we need to definitely check whether any null values exist. If at all existing, we need to either remove them or remove the whole record or replace that particular value in that particular feature. Okay, so pandas data frame has given a lot of options for detecting and removing, replacing things, and here we are seeing this df dot is null, like how many nulls are there, is null, we are asking whether is there any null, and we are counting how many nulls are there. See, in this case, the whatever the taken this thing, like the data frame contains of the first name is having the 67, and gender is having 145, and this start date, last login time, salary, bonus percent doesn't have any null values. Okay. Then senior management is having 67, and team is having 43 null values. So for this we are checking, like we are trying to replace the gender value, fill there no gender, like it is not mentioned. Okay, so we are simply applying the no gender here. After that, again we are running it the is null sum. So earlier the gender was having 144 things, now it is showing the 0 nulls. Okay, nuns are nuns, so both are same. And then the numpy, here we are trying to replace other values also. So senior management, we are having the senior management is 67 nuns are there. So in 67, what we are trying to do, we are trying to replace with mode. So it's, as it is a categorical variable, this categorical variables are replaced with the mode. In case of similar operation, in case of numeral, mean, with the mean people do replace. It is one of the methods. There could be other methods depending upon the circumstances we have to take up. So now again, if we cross check the senior management here, it is showing after replacing, it is showing the 0. So now then team is having this. The team, so now team and first name are having. So whatever drop, because the team we don't know which name, which we cannot just like replace, and first name, like name also could be anything. So we are just drop any, we are just removing that record. So now total, now no nulls, like that we have created that there are no nulls in the any of the things. So now earlier, after removing and cleaning all these things and applying the mode value or other values, right? So now the shape has become 899 comma 8. Earlier it was having 1000 records, right? 1000 records and 1000 rows and 8 columns. After cleaning that, it will come like 899 thing. This is how we need to handle the missing values.